So I totally forgot that I had this case, and Quentin found it in my
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought.
So we're here at Costco. So I'm going to get, I know they're, where is it? I'm gonna get some Gain. I think their paper towels were on sale. They're Bounty Advanced Paper Towels. Yeah, let's get going. Look at the Little People Barbie Dream House set. This would be a good Christmas gift for Sophia. It has 5 people, 2 animals, 4 cars. There's American Girl doll stuff.
Mommy.
What?
Look. What's a fast one?
Oh, I see it.
Mom, we could do stuff.
They have all their Christmas stuff out.
Mom, we could do
There's
stuff
Christmas
for
trees over there.
Look. Look,
All the
Mommy.
gifts.
Look.
All the kids' gifts. All the Legos.
It is true.
The Dixie paper plates are on sale for $14.99. So I'm gonna grab these. A Kirkland Dawn. I'm gonna grab one of these. These are on sale for $5.99. Really good deal. The Lysol disinfecting wipes are a good deal. They're on coupon for $10.99. Oh, come and see them. Say hi, you guys. Hi. Say, how are you? These are normally $13.99 and they're on sale for $10.99. Say hi. I'm gonna grab the Swiffer Wet Jet refills. We go through these a lot. Where's the Gain that's on sale? Oh, there it is.
When you say you want me to stock it, what do you mean?
This is $15.99 from $19.99. Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is my Monday. We just left Costco, me, Sophia, and Maxwell. I've already picked up Sophia from school. We headed to Costco and me, Sophia, and Maxwell got so much stuff. We got a lot of toiletries to take to the new house, and I got laundry soap, I got Swiffer Wet Jet stuff to mop the floors, I got paper plates. I'll give you guys a haul when we get inside. I got a lot of meat. A lot of their meat was on coupon this month and like $5 off, $6 off. I got like party wings, chicken wings, thighs. Thighs are our favorite cut of meat. Let me know what your favorite chicken is. what type of cut of what piece of chicken is your favorite. Ours is thighs. We are hands down a thighs family. It's juicy and dark and yummy, and I love a good baked or fried chicken thigh. So good. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite. But I'm gonna do a Costco haul, a huge Costco haul today, and we're just gonna be at home. We have a house to go look at 6. I haven't heard anything back from the townhomes that I really liked, the 3-story townhomes. I emailed them this morning. The last I heard from them was Friday. I emailed them this morning. I haven't heard anything. That was like at 10:30 when I emailed them. Let me look at my phone. That was at 10:46 when I messaged. I just said I was checking in. How's everything going? How's our background and credit and references going and things like that? Please let me know. We're looking forward to moving in soon. Let me know something. And I told them thank you. That was at 10:46 and I haven't heard anything. So the last I did hear from them was Friday and today's Monday. So I don't know. But just to not put all my chickens in a, what is that, chickens? Don't count, I'm not counting my chickens before they hatch. I am gonna go look at another house that's inside the girls' school district at 6 o'clock tonight, and I'll have all 4 of the kids with me. So we're gonna go look at a house later today. I'm gonna be home. I started putting more things for the yard sale inside of the house, like purging things. So I need to make a pile. I have a pile going on the dining room table already. So today's video, we are going to be purging more stuff. I have a Costco haul and just hanging out with us. It is almost 3 o'clock. It's exactly 3 o'clock. The big girls get out of school in 45 minutes, and I'm gonna start unloading all the stuff from the car, and I'll give you guys a haul when we get inside. Okay, so we got a 6-pack of muffins. These are the double chocolate muffins, and my Costco is now selling corn muffins, you guys, like cornbread in the form of muffins. I didn't know that these were a thing at Costco. So we all love cornbread in this house. We eat it a lot. The girls love it. The boys love it. I love it. It's so bomb. And I'm excited to try these. So this is a 6-pack of corn muffins. I don't know if this is a new thing or like a Pacific Northwest thing. I have no idea, but definitely gonna tear these up. I got some yakitori chicken Japanese style fried rice. This looks super yummy. You guys, I went to Costco hungry. That's why I got so much stuff. So this looked amazing, and it's Japanese style fried rice made with grilled white meat, tender vegetables, and an authentic savory sauce and rice. Yum. If you guys remember in my last vlog, I was saying that I wanted to go to Costco and stock up on Rao's homemade marinara spaghetti sauce. So I did get 2 of these, so I got 4 total. These are $12 at Costco, making them $6 each instead of $8.83 or pretty much $9 at Walmart. So if you need to stock up on Rao's, or you have been wanting to try this, definitely hit up Costco because they have the best prices, especially when they go on coupon. Such a good deal. I got some granola. We all love granola in this house. I just pick out the raisins because I hate raisins. Fun fact about Crissy, hates raisins. We got some Madeleines to put in the girls' cold lunch and to snack on. Bacon crumbles for salads or baked potatoes, or to put them with my mung bean and egg breakfast that me and Marcus make in the morning. So good. I think I made it for you guys one time, but I didn't put bacon in it. But I like to fry these with some eggs, and they're so, so good. And I got these double chocolate bites. They were on clearance or whatever for $2.97. And then the girl at the checkout said that they're super good, so I thought I would get those for a snack. We got some sweet kale salad. This is my favorite salad to make. It's a chopped salad kit. I add feta crumbles and apples to this. It is so good. I tried a sample of Havarti cheese and rice crackers with some balsamic vinegar on it, and it was so good. So I picked up some Havarti cheese. I got some extra virgin olive oil. This is organic, and this is cold extracted. This is really good for your health. I got some organic cinnamon, grated Parmesan cheese. We go through this like nothing. Some cocktail cucumbers, some farm-raised Atlantic salmon. This is on coupon this month, and it is so good. In my opinion, this tastes better than fresh salmon. It's so yummy, and the bag is huge, so I got a couple bags of those. We got the ultimate fish stick, some corn, some grilled white chicken and portobello pasta. I got some cream of mushroom soup. I got a case of them because we're going to be doing a lot of crock pot things and soups this winter and fall. I got a seasoned tri-tip. This is so good.
Whoa.
I've been seeing these at Costco for months, and I finally decided to get them. So I got them, the kids' Johnny Pops. These are rainbow fruit stacks, dairy-free pops.
I found them.
Italian sausage ravioli. I got lots of party wings. These are $5 off right now, so I got 2 packs of them. And then I got some wings, and then I got some chicken stock down there. And I forgot about the kids' goldfish. I got on-the-go packs, 45 of these for 12 bucks, I believe. But the kids love goldfish. Even Maxwell loves them, so I grabbed a box. Some Alani's. I normally get these from Target and Walmart, but Costco started carrying the variety pack that has cherry slush, which is my favorite, cosmic stardust, and juicy peach. Super yummy, gives me all the energy. 18 of them for 22 bucks, which is such a steal. This is stuff I'm putting in the garage. We got some paper plates, some Swiffer wet jet stuff, refills, some paper towels, some Lysol wipes, and some organic Honest Juice. Can't forget the diapers. Maxwell is now in size 3, so we got the Kirkland signature. It is now 6 o'clock, and we went and toured a new house that is a prospect for us to live in. Hey guys. Hey guys. It is the next day, and I stopped vlogging yesterday because I got news, and it just like upset me. I got denied for the house, the townhouse that I showed you guys that I really liked with all the stairs. And we went to go look at a house yesterday that I showed you guys. It's a really nice house. It has a nice kitchen, and it has 3 bedrooms, and it's a nice house. So I'm gonna apply for it today and hope everything works out, because I feel like this is like last attempt. Oh my goodness, I didn't even do my eyebrows. I just went and picked up the applications. They're paper applications. The lady's really nice, and the house is in our school district, so I would be able to keep the girls in the school district. It's actually right down the street from here. So I want to conclude this vlog because I'm not feeling the best. I'm just not feeling like turning the camera on. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for everything, all of your kind words and DMs and messages and comments. Thank you for your comments and everything, and I again appreciate all of you guys. You guys mean so much to me. I will continue to vlog. I'll have another vlog up on Friday, Thursday or Friday. Bless you, bless you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Sorry it was so short. It's just I am just not feeling like vlogging right now, and I was really banking and hoping on the townhouse with all the stairs. So anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew